Okay, the rear of the car is now sealed off. I've sealed up all the sides of the engine compartment. I've built the lid. I've also installed the heat material on the lid, as well as finishing all my internal panels. So I'm completely sealed in now. Sitting here, upside down, I've got some tape here. I'm going to put some spray adhesive on here to glue this this 1/4 inch matting to this stuff. This stuff is good to 1200 degrees. It should hopefully keep a lot of the engine heat out. I'm also going to have the Dynamat material on the other side of this panel, so this panel is going to be well insulated. I've actually drilled some little holes here. You can't see it. Let's see. There's a hole to put these little stays on here. These are just real thin little aluminum pieces that I'm going to actually put on there to make sure this thing stays nice and tight to the panel. Okay, I'm pretty much finished with the engine cover. As you can see, I've got the sound deadening material here on the front side of it, the top side of it. I've got the heavy-duty fiberglass insulation on the back side with my little aluminum stays in place there. You can see it's got 3 little stays that are riveted in place, and then I put the Dynamat on the back side here, or the top side, so this thing's ready to go back in. Got the cover back on, all the screws in it. Very solid. So now I'm working on the covering this rear part right here, and I've cut some templates out of poster board, and then I built these 2 pieces that go across there, and they screw together so that I can get them in, so I'm going to have to put it in 2 pieces. But I'm getting ready to do the same thing to these as I did to the main piece. Here I've got these 2 pieces in. You see I've got the Dynamat material on top here, and then I've got under here I've got the padding. As you can see, it all covers the whole back in here. Okay, I've also put my Dynamat material completely in here and sealed this off. So this whole thing is completely sealed off from down there all the way up on both sides. Okay, now I've gone ahead and made templates and cut these panels here. This is the rear panel. This is the front panel. This panel right here covers all my tubing and piping. So this is basically the footwell wall here. Little piece down here, close off the foot box. And of course that piece was already made. I made that piece back there. So basically, I'm sealed in, functionally sealed in.